All right, so today I'm gonna try to build this $7,000 bench. It looks pretty simple, but those are always famous last words. I went ahead and designed it on the iPad using the Shaper 3D app. So let me go see what material I've got and let's try to build this thing. All right, so I think I've got everything cut that I need for the top. We'll worry about the base later. So I think if I grab some measurements, our actual dimension of, 18.5. So again, just getting our measurements for these kind of stretcher pieces. And one thing to note for all these pieces, I went ahead and ripped them to close to their final width. But I cut them a little oversized so that way when I put them on the joint and run it through the planer, I can clean everything up and get it how I want it. So let's try that, see how it works. And like my precision stop block here. Two. This one is long enough, but it has a giant crack in it. So let's not use that one. All right, so we got everything milled. Now it's time to just rip everything to its final width. So I think from the design, it was 1 3/4 inches. So before we do that, let's just go ahead and make sure that our saw blade is at 90. So this right here, handy little tool. Just turn it on, set it on your saw, hit 0 there. So that should be zeroed. Now let's raise our blade. And just make that read 90. Perfect. All right. So you will notice on all these, I've got a clean edge which was joined parallel to this, or sorry, perpendicular to this, so that is a true 90. And I just marked the other side. So handy little tip here, mark the sides you need to cut, then when you get there, it makes it pretty easy. All right, so all the milling is done. Now it's really, we've got to lay out these half lap joints. So this piece right here will be the trickier one because this one's gonna need, 12 joints cut in it, as well as the middle and the end. So 3 of those. And then we got to cut the half laps in these pieces. So yeah, so let's lay that out and see if we can get that figured out.